have lived the life of sin. In this world I'm living in, I have done evil things I shouldn't do. Then I ask a man of God that will tell me what to do, that will tell me how to live the life of Christ. He said to me, go and sin no more. Now give your life to Jesus Christ. He will take away your sins and set you free, that you might live the life of righteousness. He gave his life for us, he died for us, he shed his blood that we might live. What a wonderful friend he is, what a faithful friend he is, that he gave his life to save us all from death. Jesus, the truth, the way and the life, no one comes to God but by him. He has taken away our sins and set us free, that we might live the life of righteousness. So I turned away from sin and gave my life to Christ. I cry unto the Lord my God, to look upon the cross, I mean where the price was paid, to forgive me and take my sins away. Jesus, the truth, the way and the life, no one comes to God but by him. He has taken away our sins and set us free, that we might live the life of righteousness. The lost law in our hearts, with the lost song in our lips, with the words of God in all our life, with the costly price he paid, with the painful way he died, with the humble life he lived right here on earth. We are free from sin, from pain and from death. The blood of Jesus set us free. He has taken away our sins and set us free, that we might live the life of righteousness. We are free from sin, from pain and from death. The blood of Jesus set us free. He has taken away our sins and set us free, that we might live this life of righteousness. We are free from sin, from pain and from death. The blood of Jesus set us free. He has taken away our sins and set us free, that we might live the life of righteousness.